Regrettably, we feel, Mrs. Akudolu, that we have now exhausted all options with Nneka. Unless we see a vast improvement in her behaviour in the next 5 weeks, we will have to consider removing her from the school. This is an extract from a letter from my then headmaster that I found in pristine condition, kept by my mother, dated January 1991. We have exhausted all options with Nneka. She's no longer with us, so I'll never truly know, but I'm convinced that she was saving it for an occasion like this. I limped through those 5 weeks and left school with an unimpressive set of GCSE results and no A-levels. I am one of 6 children of strict Nigerian parents, and like many African families, they expect you to be one of 4 things: a doctor, a lawyer, an engineer, or a failure. I was definitely careering towards the latter. But my academic comeback started when I was aged 20, when I realised that my dream life of living away from parental pecking, paying all of my own bills and buying my own food was in fact no dream at all. An access to legal studies course followed at my local college, and the feeder university to that local college was Goldsmiths in London. But I had a Welsh boyfriend at the time, so it made complete sense to me to pack up my life and apply to read law and politics in Cardiff. To the surprise of absolutely nobody, that relationship didn't survive even the summer before I came here. But my love of Cardiff has been enduring. So many happy memories. Never leaving home without an umbrella. Welsh cakes, the Owen Glendower, seeing Ninja banging on dustbin drums on Queen Street, the Student Union, lunch at the Woody, drinks in town that would invariably end with food down Chip Alley. But it's fair to say, as you've heard from my orator, that I didn't give myself the easiest time whilst I was here. I failed my first year twice, thank you for highlighting that, and then had a baby in my second. And I credit the university for supporting me in navigating my way through the rest of my degree and then bar school straight afterwards here. I was fortunate enough to secure pupillage in London and have practiced in criminal law ever since. My career highlight was being sworn in as Queen's Counsel in March 2022. I am, you all, 22 years ago. Well, not quite you all, I wasn't clever enough to get a doctorate, but I am most of you 22 years ago. And my advice to you all really is this, moving forward: be fearless. You may experience adversity, you will experience rejection, but allow yourselves to see the possibilities beyond any obstacles that you face. Some of you may want to go into law, some of you may not. And despite the unprecedented disruption that you had at the start of your time here, you will all, I'm sure, leave here with lifelong friendships and lifelong memories. I want to say a special thank you to the university for this prestigious award. I also want to thank them for giving me the support and the confidence to have the balls to pursue and excel in a career I never imagined possible. Thank you.